Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to the live stream. This is Dika's Copy Webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 24th of February 2023. This is Friday, guys. That is last trading day of the week. After this, the last week of the month. So next week will be important for February. It is 28 days only. One thing. But I think we are going to get 3 days only next week. Yeah, in this month. Yeah, only 2 days, 27th and 28th. So first, my introduction. Who am I? I'm a Dukas Copies trading community member. Like there's a Dukas Copy bank. Okay, that's like a normal bank. They are also brokers for the forex exchange. So they offer you trading the foreign exchange, and I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am a client of Dukas Copy Bank, but I am also the member of the community where there are a lot of traders, and we talk about many things over there. So what are we going to do here? Well, in this live stream, whatever I'm going to talk about, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. Okay, all the opinions or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss are of my own, and we'll strictly discuss only the price action here. Okay, we'll not talk about anything what is going on in which country, what is who is going to the prime minister, who is going to the president, what will be the effect on the market. We'll not be talking about that. Okay, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll just see the charts and check that whether our levels which we had plotted on our charts are holding or not. And it's like a more or less like a review, and then plotting the new levels if the recent ones have broken, and how we can use the new levels or the old levels in our trading. That is what we are going to examine in this next 1 hour or so. So we will follow the charts only for analysis. We will not use anything else, and in this program we will only be using the candlestick charts because they are most informative charts. So we'll be only using candlestick charts. If you are new to the technical analysis, I would request you to go to our channel's homepage and then select the playlist section and search for the profitable candlestick patterns and the profitable chart patterns. These are the two playlists that I have created. It will help you in understanding what we are talking about in this program. So please go through them if you have time, and at the end of session I'll be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask questions so that I can answer them. Lastly, whatever I say in this live stream is only to enhance your knowledge. You do not use it as it is for trading. And when I say buy euro, it's time to buy euro, it doesn't mean that you go and open a position in euro and then say, Rakesh, you told me to buy and I bought. No, I hope you understand this part because this is very important. I will say, but you will not do. Okay, you will just examine, use your own discretion, you do your own research before you put your money on the line. Okay, so most of the things that I say are right, but there is no guarantee that in future they will be right. So I want to flash this disclaimer in front of your eyes so that you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Please pause the video if you want to. You can watch it later, this risk disclaimer, but this is very important. You go through this entirely, even if you are watching live or if you're watching after it is embedded as a video on the channel. So the first thing first, this is J4X 3 platform, and we are watching the dollar index right now on your screen. Well, dollar index is inching towards 105.39. From yesterday till today there is only this green candle, no new story to be told. Hello MJ, welcome to the stream. I'm sorry I could not welcome you again. I should have done this in the beginning. Okay, MJ, you see that this high that the price has made on 6th of January, this is going to be tested most probably next week. I'm sorry guys, I'm tired because today this was my hectic day at the job. So 105.39 is the area that I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. If not this, then 107.64 is definitely going to be the selling opportunity because that will the 50% of this fall. So let us see how the things unfold in this one. But right now we have a target of 105.39 in this market, guys. All right. On the euro, we have a target at 1.0482. We are taking this target from the time when it broke 1.0801. So we have like 400 points to go, and this is just going so simple. It broke lower, tested this a fresh resistance. It's like a textbook example. Okay, So next target is 1.0482. Let us see how the things unfold in this one. Also on the upside, we had resistance here first. Now expect some resistance here, guys, at the this low of this candle that is broken. If the price starts going up from here, it can find resistance at 1.0612 also. Okay, so please be sure to mark this level also on your charts, because that will be your selling opportunity. If the price goes here, then what we are expecting, actually we are expecting the price to go like this. Oh sorry, I'm sorry, I'm bad. Okay, like this, something like this may happen. Okay, all right. Great Britain pound on the similar lines, it is also has tested the 1.2121 and now it is going towards 1.1840. Let us see how the things unfold about this one also. You see how the channel break yesterday resulted in a big break lower. So still you have questions about this? No, it is simple. Although I wanted the price to go to this area and not get rejected. No, but it did not happen. It got rejected. Maybe some news or something. Otherwise, this mostly goes here. Now still it has support of 1.1840. That is the ultimate support, but on the way down this can hold as a support this area here, the low of this candle, which is here is 1.1914. okay, that can act as a support, but the bigger support that I'm talking about is 1.1840. all right, Australian dollar is very bearish today. It is so keen to go towards points 6668.2. We have already mentioned this, that the price action is supposed to be like this in the future. This is the proposed trajectory. Let us see how the things unfold. It has already taken the primary target, which is 0.6728. The next target is 0.6668. On the higher side, we have resistance, which is very far. 0.6869 is the resistance in this one, guys. Similar lines, New Zealand dollar has just broken below the double top reaction low. Once this reaction low is broken, now this acts as a good resistance. Next time we sell it with the target of 0.6060. so what my point is, New Zealand dollar, I am bearish now. I'm just bothered about this low here which the price had made. Although the market structure is broken, the lower lows are being formed, but still I am cautious about this low here. So I will just mark it on the chart, so that so this one 0.6155 area. Once it breaches this area, I think I will go short, or otherwise what I will do is that I will next week I will make a stop order below the low of today's candle. That will be a good idea, because in that case the both of the cases will be met, and 0.6060 will be the next target. We still have 100 points from here to go. Yeah, and our stop loss will be very small, of course. It is 0.6190 and above. So USD JPY has broken above 135.22 area. Okay, this I was expecting to act as a good resistance, but it did not act as a good resistance. Now next levels, we have to mark the next levels, right? So these are the next levels of resistance, 137.67. but will it go directly there? No. What we expect here is we expect some pullback. Actually the pullback has also been taken care of, so I don't know whether it will stop before 137.67 or not. But if I would have been expecting, I would have been expecting something like this. Okay, it makes sense. So 135.22 should act as a support now, and 137.67 should act as a resistance. Guys, this today's see, okay, after breakout, boom, it is advancing towards 1.3684. This is the US dollar against the Canadian. There is no resistance whatsoever before this level, 1.3684, and our support is very far, 1.3502. After 1.3502 is broken, the price is advancing to 1.3684 very fast. So this is a brisk move. Any advance above that will open the way to 1.3832, and after that it will keep opening the way to the higher prices, because we have very few levels like 1.380, 3684, then 3832, and thereafter this high here. The triangle is broken, and now it has to achieve all the prices. I was long in the USD JPY. MGA, whenever you share something like this with me, I would also like to know if you had any bad trades, so that the momentum, or not momentum, so that I have a clear picture of how you're trading. Okay, now you are only telling me the trades which you are profiting. I also want to know where are you making losses, so that I can describe or guide you how to do it properly. Okay, like you told me that you have problems in the exit yesterday. So if you were in the, I have losses, yeah. So make sure that you let me know that also, so that I have a clear image of what you are doing wrong, so that it can be avoided later in the coming days. Okay. So USD CAD right now, it is in a buy mode. There is no question about that. But are we going to buy here? No, because the risk to reward ratio is not good. So we do not buy. If the price would have come to 1.3502, I would have definitely got long in this with a target of 1.3684. Yesterday I had an intraday, made some profit, get out of it. That's all. USD CHF is long now. Oh no, it is not only long, it is very long. Okay, see. Now 9479 is the area where I am expecting some resistance. Actually, I am expecting huge resistance at 9479, 9480 area. Let us see how the things unfold here. But right now, since the price is trading about 0.9372 in this one, I think I'll be saying it will be safe to say that now this price here, if comes back to 0.9372, may act as a good support with the targets of 0.9479. You can buy this bucket. Okay. Talking about the silver has achieved the first target of 20.85. The next target is 20.56. From here I'm expecting some buying of silver. Let us see how the things unfold about this. So this is Friday, all targets are being taken, guys. This is what price action is. Okay, you keep patience, everything falls into place. Today I was profitable with the USD JPY, but losses with the silver. How can, now don't tell me that you were long in silver. Say that you are long in silver and you are no more my friend. How can you have losses? This is all going down, down and down. Yeah, you were short then. Okay, let me check intraday. How can you make losses here? Oh, did you get afraid from this VIX? Okay, I get this. I think something of that sort must have happened. You got afraid and you forgot about the daily time frame. Yeah. Stop too tight. Yeah, must be. It must be too tight stop. That's why he made losses. Because silver has acted just as we hoped. It was not meant for intraday trading. You can see that this was not good for intraday trading. Looking at these VIX and these dojis. But if you were short below 22.01, then this was a very nice trade as of now. Very nice trade. I think I had a technical problem. I must contact support. Okay. Oh, well, that's up to you. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so the point is, now here somebody may be thinking the buying can happen. Okay, the buying can happen, but deep down inside my mind, I'm thinking that the price should come and test 20.56 also. Seeing the momentum on the daily chart, I'm expecting this. Okay, and I'm thinking that the price will come here, then go like this, 24.54. This is what I'm thinking about silver. It makes a perfect sense here. But jumping from here to top, it is also possible because this was a good resistance in the past. See here, but if it comes at least to 20.56, it would have been a very nice area to buy with the support here, support here, support here. So many supports here. Okay, guys, let's see how the silver do in the future. But our first target is taken. Second target we'll see on Monday, maybe how it unfolds. Okay, gold is in a problem now. Right now it is at the support of 1807. It is trading at 1812. It made an intraday low of 1808.87. This is the place where I would be looking for the buying opportunity. Not today, because today is the red candle, but tomorrow. If I see on Monday that there is something like bullish here, if there is some buying here in this region at 1807 region, I think I will become a buyer with the targets higher. Now the problem is that I have also to look at the dollar index. Dollar index is approaching the resistance, but if it continues further, the gold can continue further down. But since this is a very crucial support, so I think there will be a reversal in the dollar index also. So let us see what happens on Monday. Does it crosses 105.39 or does it falls back from here? Let us see how the things unfold in both of them. For gold, I think we should sit on the sideline for today, and next week we should look for a buying opportunity here. If it does not arise and if we see a close below 1807, then it will be a caution and we'll try to enter the short positions below that level when it comes back to test this area as a fresh resistance from the below. What about Brent, guys? Brent is being bought back. Yesterday it fell, I mean during the day it fell back towards 81 area, and now it is being bought back. Why? Somebody is buying the crude oil. Well, we are not sure who is buying this crude oil at the lower levels, but this pin bar on the 4-hour is suggesting that there are more gains on the way. Maybe the price can go back to 84.27 here in this market. Other than that, I don't see anything much important. If the price goes back here and breaks this 84.27, then we can see higher levels of 85.47 and 86.18 also. Well, dollar against the South African rand, the ultimate target almost taken, 18.499. Now 19.338 is a very big target. For this, it has to go through these resistances. I think this is difficult, not possible for today, but maybe next week we can give it a try, or maybe next to next week, that is next month, we can give it a try. Let us see how the things unfold about this one also. But for this, 17.99 is the support, 18.499 is the resistance, guys. Bitcoin is making slow progress to the downside, very close to the 21,342. If you get it close to 21,342 in the up direction, then it's fine, because now the market structure is up. Okay, the market structure is up, and if you can get it close to 21,342 and keep your stop loss below that, I think you are good to go with the target of 32,417 after breaching 25,207. This is what I think is going to happen here, because if it would have to be sold off, it would have happened very fast, like this. No, since it is not happening like that, it is coming slowly towards this area. So I think this can be another opportunity to go long. And also, if you draw a channel, maybe you can get a buying opportunity here also. Okay, I'm keeping this channel intact so that we get an information tomorrow or maybe on Monday what happens here. Okay, so this triangle is gone, so just remove this, and then this. So let us see how the things unfold in Bitcoin also in the coming time. I hope you are getting what I'm saying here, and I'm just removing the clutter right now so that you have a clear image. All right, this is very quick. I think in 20 minutes we will just finish everything. Euro JPY, there was a weekly breakout. Okay, and on the daily there was a very bad day, I mean two very bad days, and somebody was thinking, okay, Euro JPY breakout is null and void. But no, yesterday there was a very bad day for the Euro JPY. Did you see, while we were doing webinars, it was going down, but 142.34 levels acted as a good support and pushed the prices back above 143.65. Now what is the next target? Who will tell me from the chat? Who can tell me what is the next target? Come on, type it. What is the next target, guys? What is the next target if we see a close above 143.65 today? The moon, no, desert. Yeah, I have to calculate it. It is actually 146.72. This is going to be the next target, and this can happen next week. Okay, if we give a close above 143.65 today. All right, guys. Not the moon. Euro GBP, why did we include it? I don't remember, but yeah, it is trading in this channel. From this symmetrical triangle, it seemed like it is going to break to the downside. First it broke to the upside, then it came inside, then it broke again to the upside. So there's a possibility that the euro will go and test this broken channel resistance. This is the broken channel, and this broken channel resistance it may test and then finally break down. That is what I'm thinking now. And I want to remove all of this, and I want to give you one small channel to keep an eye on. Okay, so this is what it is. Now you may be thinking, why there are no horizontal levels on this one? There are horizontal levels. Well, boom, 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 boom. This is swing highs, and this is a swing low, and before this is the swing low. So 8721 is already done, so we'll remove this one. So these are the swing levels that we have to keep an eye on. This is also now a swing low, but it is below this, so I will keep an eye on 8800 now. On the upside we have 89828 as the resistance. So guys, you got it. I'm expecting the price to go down, but this small buying here for the I suggest you to enclose the. What do you mean enclose? Enclose mean keep it or remove it? Because Euro GBP doesn't move much, so to stop it, MG. Okay, you suggested me to keep it. Yeah, now I remember. Okay. So my point here is that this is broken. Yeah, this is broken, and after breakdown this has not tested any resistance whatsoever. So if it tests this broken channel as the fresh resistance, that may be a good opportunity to go short, right? But this is on the daily. You can actually see it on the 4-hour. Keep this channel going up. Once it breaks again, you can enter the short with a small stop loss higher and take profit targets of 0.8758 to the downside. First target being 0.8800. Okay. Okay guys, S&P 500. S&P 500, actually for last 2 days we were bullish in this one, but today it has broken below the low of this one. Now the price has seen the lower lows than this one, but it is trading higher now. See, this is the ambiguity, not ambiguity, how you call it. This is where you are not able to decide what to do now. Okay, you see, for 2 days the price was being bought back at the lower levels, and then suddenly it breaks below the low, and it was consecutive candles. Do you see this? This is a very bad price action for the buyers. Their stops are taken out. So now when the stops are taken out, do you think that somebody is buying at the lower levels to push it to 4136? Now this is what ICT thinks, and I kind of started believing it now. Once their stop losses are taken out, somebody has started buying it heavily because he is expecting bigger moves here on this market, and he is expecting the markets to reach maybe 4136 and maybe even 4325. So this is what I'm thinking. Their stop losses, those who were here, their stop losses are taken, and now the market may be headed higher. Let us see how the things unfold. If this is true, then this market is not going to go back before 4136. Let us see, okay, how the things unfold. What do you say? Because you see here also their stop losses were taken, boom, and then markets did not come back. Before every move down. Now for this move down, first it took the stop losses, boom, here, and then it went down. Getting me? So they have taken out these stop losses. You see, look at the left side. Okay, look at the left side here. So their stop loss, if they are long here, their stop losses must be somewhere. The stop losses is taken. Somebody is buying at these levels. This is just my speculation, okay guys. Now the first target is 3993. Thereafter we have actually many targets at 4136 and so on. Let us see about this one also. But if you ask me from my levels, then support is like 3885. Resistance is at 3993 for this market. Euro against the Australian dollar, our position is closed in the loss. We had shorted here with the stop loss here. Above this, it is closed. But anyways, I don't see any pattern forming here. But yes, this 52757 is acting as a support. But yeah, just now I came to see that this is a shoulder, this is a head, this is a possible shoulder. If the price starts coming down from here, then it will be a shoulder break, retest, and something like this can happen. So guys, I have plotted on my screen just now in 2 seconds what is the possible outcome now. So let us see how the things unfold in the Euro audio also the next week. Ethereum is trading in between no man's land. So yeah, all in all, in the majority of the cases, we see that the price is trading to the levels which we have mentioned in the last week. So expect 480, 1.0480 in the euro dollar next week. In the pound, expect 1.1840 next week. In the Australian dollar, expect 0.6668 next week. New Zealand dollar is a recent breakdown. Now this will be my maybe I will be focusing more on the New Zealand dollar next week for the short entries here. And USD JPY is long, and I will be expecting it to boom further towards 137 before we see a sell-off. Then US dollar Canadian will reach 1.3684. These are all my expectations for the next week, and 1.9479 for the USD CHF, for silver to reach for 20.56, for gold to get tested at 1807. If this is a fresh support or not, we will know by next week. And Brent, I think, is headed up next week because of this bullish pin bar that I have just seen on the 4 hour. I think the Brent is being bought at this rising channel on the weekly, so be cautious about it. There may be more buying in the coming days. So weekly and daily, so you see there is a bullish pin bar at the support, so this means more buying of the crude oil at the lower levels. This targets on the USD ZAR are taken. I think it will take next month entirely to break 18.499. Let us see how the things unfold about this also. Bitcoin, a decision will be made once we cross below this or we find support at here. Euro JPY, it's a buy. If the day closes above 143.65, we may see 146.72 next week. Euro GBP, we need a break from this small channel to the downside. And yes, S&P 500, I think 14136 is the target after 3993 is taken out. And Euro OD, we have nothing. We are just forecasting that something like this can happen, and Ethereum is doing nothing. So all in all, guys, we are done for the day. If you have any questions, please ask me today. I have time. If nothing, then I wish you and your family a very good weekend. I hope you got the idea about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in coming hours and days. Please keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. If you don't find such a trade, do not open a trade. There is no need to open a trade if it is not worth it. Okay? Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Thank you very much. See you on Monday, not tomorrow. Have a very good day, weekend. Thanks for watching.